Denali National Park, located in south-central Alaska, covers over 6 million acres and is larger than the entire state of Hawaii, which only covers around 4.1 million acres, approximately 6,423 square miles. Denali National Park was first established as Mount McKinley National Park in 1917, but in 1980 it was renamed. The park has around 600,000 visitors each year, attracted by the park's rugged beauty, pristine forest, and the highest peak in North America, Mount Denali, standing over 20,000 feet tall. Denali National Park ecosystems prominently feature boreal and montane forests, and each of these ecosystems is shaped distinctly by their unique climates. Boreal forests are characterized by their subarctic climate, long cold winters, heavy snowfall, and short, mild summers, and they are most commonly found in the northern hemisphere. These forests are massive and cover about 17% of Earth's total land surface. Visitors to Denali National Park's boreal forests can expect to see a wide variety of native plants and animals, but some of the most common are coniferous trees like the white spruce and deciduous trees like the birch. Fireweed is a beautiful flowering plant found during the summer months with bright pink and red blossoms. One of the many year-round inhabitants, the boreal chickadee, lives in the spruce branches, actively foraging for seeds and insects despite freezing temperatures and heavy snow in the winter. The moose also is common, relying mainly on willows, grasses, and aquatic plants to sustain its large size. In the rivers and lakes that wind through the forest, lake trout swim through cold, clear waters. It is an important food source for predators here. Sometimes, if a visitor is particularly quiet and stealthy, they can spot the American marten. Each of these animals is uniquely adapted to the subarctic environment. Montane forests, on the other hand, are the ecosystems found in Denali National Park, which grow at higher elevations. Here, the environment is shaped by extreme climatic conditions. It has a longer, harsher winter with significant snowfall. The altitude-driven climate creates lower oxygen levels, strong winds, and rapid temperature changes. These extreme conditions required the plants and animals here to develop specialized adaptations for survival. Every species within this biome must efficiently utilize the limited warmth and sunlight. Despite the challenging environment, montane forests are incredibly rich in life. Conifers like black spruce and white spruce thrive in the alpine environment. Their pine needles have the amazing ability to minimize moisture loss in the cold, dry air. It's not only trees that thrive here, but also plants such as the Labrador tea plant that flourish in the undergrowth. Its leathery dark green leaves are adapted to the cool, damp environment. Quaking aspen also are commonly found in these forests. The wildlife of the montane forest is equally diverse and specialized for rugged terrain. Dall sheep are among some of the most iconic inhabitants. They have the remarkable ability to navigate steep, rocky cliffs, evading predators and grazing on the sparse alpine vegetation. Grizzly bears also roam these forests and, in the spring, emerge from hibernation to forage for roots, berries, and small mammals. The delicate balance of the montane ecosystem reflects the extreme conditions of these high-altitude environments and the life here that depends on it. One of the most fascinating animals in Denali National Park is the Arctic ground squirrel. Remarkably, it has developed an extraordinary adaptability to allow its body temperature to drop below freezing during hibernation, a rare biological phenomenon among mammals. This enables the squirrel to survive winter in a suspended state, reanimating each spring as the snow melts. Denali National Park's ecosystems beautifully illustrate nature's adaptability to diversify, from boreal forests to the higher altitude montane environments. Each of these unique forest types hosts distinct yet interconnected communities of plants and animals that are uniquely suited to thrive in their challenging climates. An environment created by its extreme northern latitude. From a moose in the boreal forest, a dull sheep scaling rocky cliffs, or an Arctic ground squirrel emerging from hibernation beneath the snow, each story reveals the strength of life deep in Alaska's backcountry. Denali National Park continues to teach us about balance, resilience, and the beauty of the natural world. This animation was produced for Hawaii Community College's Natural Environment class and Dr. Pamela Scheffler.